Good morning, everyone. Happy 4th of July. I lied, it's actually afternoon. And happy 4th of July. That's the truth, though. I want to say thank you to my 67th subscriber. I got 66 and 67 yesterday, but I didn't notice 67 until after I had recorded. So, welcome to the journey we call life. Today's a interesting, fun day. Everybody's going to be posting pictures and videos of fireworks, and so will I. I'm gonna go hang out with friends here in about 2 hours. We're gonna barbecue for a little bit and then go to one of the local fireworks demonstrations. And I'll definitely be taking you guys along for the journey. Right now, I've got a video to edit and post, and I need to get some kind of food in my stomach, so I'm going down there to my truck and I'm gonna go get some food. Time for fireworks. Told you, when the band stops playing, that's when the fireworks will go off. Tomorrow, everyone, fireworks in it. When my friends want to joke around and tell me I need to put the glow light around my cannula. Yep, that just happened.
It's okay, look.
Twins.
Cannula kids strike again.
Either that or you're just like Jimmy from...
And happy 4th of July. I just can't win. I can't catch a frickin' break. Ever. Lungs have been acting up the past couple days, and on my way home from fireworks tonight, every fiber in my body told me to come here. So, here I am. Hopefully everything turns out just fine, and then I can go home, because I have a surgery consult this afternoon in Martinsburg, West Virginia, because it's already after midnight. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. So, yay. Well, I am home for the evening. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I think in my little clip earlier I might have said close to 3 a.m. The clock in my ER room was off by at least 2 hours. They released me like about 2 o'clock, 2:15, and it's about a 45-minute drive to Fairfax from my house, so yeah. Lungs aren't happy with me, but they're happier than they were, and aside from the hospital, it has been a absolutely lovely day today. I've got surgery consults to Wednesday, which is now today actually, at 2:30 in West Virginia at the VA hospital, so I'll be there. And yeah, it's just been a great day. Fireworks were awesome and the barbecue was great. I cooked. And it was just great hanging out with friends. And all in all, a good day. Even my nurse at the hospital was fantastic. We had great conversation, and it's rare, you don't usually get that very often, but it was nice. Thank you to my 67th subscriber. I believe I mentioned it this morning. Thank you for joining the channel and this journey we call life. So, I'm gonna end the vlog here tonight. As always, have a great night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.